Personalize your Microsoft Outlook inbox, customizing text formats. Did you know you can easily change the appearance of text in your Microsoft Outlook inbox? Customizing the way your emails look can make your experience more personal and efficient. Here's a simple guide to get started. Step-by-step guide to change text formats. Access View Settings. Navigate to the View tab in the upper panel. Click on View Settings to open a menu with customization options. Conditional Formatting. In the View Settings menu, select Conditional Formatting. You'll see a list of predefined formats for different email types in your inbox. Customize unread emails. To change the appearance of unread emails, select Unread Messages from the list. Click Font to open a menu for font customization. Make your changes. Choose your preferred font, color, and style. For example, you can make the text bold, change the font color to blue, and increase the size for better visibility. Save your changes. Once satisfied, click OK to apply your changes. Your unread emails will now appear with the customized style you've set. Creating custom formats. You can go a step further by creating formats for specific emails, such as highlighting messages from certain senders in unique colors or fonts. Customizing text styles for emails received on specific dates or with specific keywords. Why customize? Personalizing your email appearance. Enhances visibility for important messages. Helps you quickly identify unread emails. Makes your inbox visually appealing. Experiment with fonts, colors, and styles to find what works best for you. Give it a try and transform your inbox into a more efficient workspace.